In this video, we are going to see how we can get a clean lock screen and get rid of all of this other information that is cluttering your lock screen. That is news, weather, any kind of matters, updates, daily wonder, world currency, and so on. As you can see that there are a lot of things that we need to remove. So I will show you a simple solution on how we can get rid of this in Windows 11. First of all, just right click on the desktop and select personalize. And on the left hand side, you will find this personalization option. Click on that. And as soon as you click on this, you will see the lock screen option at the bottom. You can change your lock screen option to just the picture, not the Windows Spotlight. And you can choose any picture you want. For example, I'll choose this one. And as you can see in the demonstration, it will look just like this. And from here, under the personalize your lock screen, you just uncheck this. Get fun facts, tips, tricks, and more on your lock screen. Just uncheck this. And finally, we will change this option as well. Lock screen status, weather, and more. So we set it to none. And that's pretty much it. After that, when we lock the screen again, you should be able to see a distraction-free lock screen without any other information. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.